the timeless favorite your Thanksgiving table can't live without. Clean the turkey. Place inside the turkey the leek, celery stacks, onion, garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper. Rub the turkey with the herb butter, including underneath the skin. Put the pan in the oven and roast for about 3 hours. Mix the butter, chicken broth, and white wine, and cook until the sauce reduces by half. Adjust the salt and pepper. Strain the sauce before serving. The turkey is done when the juices run clear when you pierce the area under the wings. Remove the turkey from the oven and let it rest for 20 minutes before serving.